What's up, Motorcaders? This is TJ. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be putting on these slip-ons exhaust that I got. Scored a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace. These are normally like $800, $900 pipes, and I got them for a couple $100. So I couldn't pass on that, and I want a bigger, deeper growl on my Electra Glide. So we're gonna be swapping those out today. I've never done it before, but from what I've heard, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna unscrew a couple of screws, twist and pull these off, replace them with the new ones, and we're done. So let's give it a shot. You want to be sure this is at the right orientation for when it ends up back at the end there. So I'll make sure my screws are up here and make sure that this right here is pointing down while these two are still pointing up. Put my jacket up under here just so that if I dropped it, it wouldn't hit the ground. Let's jump around to the other side to get this left side. Same thing. All right, y'all, good to see you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.